No, it's not. Come on, dude.
You know what kind of clothes we got.
He just got his brand new parts.
This, I don't remember them being this heavy.
Yeah, it's got crappy lighting in our room.
Yeah, super crappy. Can't even see my pants when I'm getting dressed.
Oh, looks like you just got some fresh coilovers.
Aha, for a car I ain't got yet.
Uh-oh. Let's see what we got.
Oh, D.
Let's see what damn shit you're talking about. Oh, hey, those actually look pretty
These
good.
look super good.
These are the Max Poo rods, but he got the purple and blue ones, I guess?
The Max shitter rods. Yeah, baby.
What the
The
heck?
collars are purple and then the shorts
Actually look pretty
they
good,
look
though.
really good.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
This is what I need right here. I'll go ahead and get these off of you. Just order a new set whenever you get an E36, you know?
To be honest, this is what you need.
Should unbox that.
Oh, yeah. Short shifter. If you guys couldn't tell.
The chassis mount.
Yeah. Still short shifter. I think. Why did I open it like that?
Whatever. OD. OD.
The
I showed
temptation.
address. It's all good. We got about 20 subscribers.
Yeah, we'll be moving soon anyway.
Yeah.
New shop coming soon.
OD.
Oh, D. This thing is heavy as shit.
Ooh.
God dang.
That's good. That means you got a quality piece right there.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah.
yeah. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, baby. 4 bolts.
Only 4?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay. I thought it was only 2. I was like, hold up.
I thought they had like 8.
Oh, mine has 8, but yours, that's good.
Ooh.
That's pretty sick.
What kind of knob can I put on this?
Any.
Fat freaking.
Dang, dude.
Oh, no,
you
it's
should trade
fine.
knobs.
No, I like this one simple. Black.
Yeah, I like this one. It's the tall one, you know, not like
Yeah.
a fat one.
Those threads are long.
Sick.
Yeah.
Your throws can be short.
Dude, I can adjust it.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying.
I'm gonna make it as tight as possible.
Yeah, how it is.
I mean, to freaking put it in.
Oh, yeah.
SMH. I'm excited though.
Yeah, that thing's dope, though.
Yeah, for real. Feels super good.
Shoot, not even bad. This is the eBay one. I think it's the cheapest one on eBay.
Yeah, literally the cheapest chassis mount you can get.
Chassis mount. It's not bad, though, honestly.
Yeah, it feels solid.
Yeah. Pretty nice.
Came with decent hardware. It seems to be. I like it. I'm happy with my purchases. We can show them the other stuff.
Oh, yeah. You bought a hub as well.
A hub and then a Broadway mirror.
Broadway mirror.
I got a steering wheel in the middle.
Chassis mount. You bought a steering wheel, too. So I guess we'll install all of it.
We'll do a quick one day build on the car.
Heck yeah.
And then
It's probably the same hub that's in mine.
probably they're all
Probably
about the
is,
same.
yeah. It looks
then
like it.
We'll have to put them onto these.
Broadway. Oh yeah, everybody's gonna be buying these after this video.
Real-
It's the best thing you can get for an old car. Freaking Broadway big mirror.
Those are the best.
Hickey. It's fine. Dang, these coilovers aren't bad though.
I love the colors.
Yeah, the color's hard.
Really feel a big difference between. Maybe if you're tracking the car, you'll actually feel the difference between expensive cars.
Dude, that is the other one, mine did too actually.
What?
I'm about to say adjustable camber, but yeah.
I like the purple, bro. That
Yeah.
car's hard. It's gonna look good through the towers.
They had to change it up, I guess.
Yeah. No, I had to search for these.
Really?
Yeah, they all show yellow.
These are dope.
Yeah, these look pretty good. I like them. Oh yeah, stiff boys. Yeah, they look all right.
That's it right there.
These are